Welcome to Window Wisdom with Mark. We've had a question from Frank from Dramana. He's asked, what shutters are better, PVC or timber? In my 17 years experience, I would definitely say PVC. Timber's a great product, but over time it can fade, and like any timber product, if you get water on it, it will peel. PVC shutters are less likely to fade, are more cost effective, and a lot more durable. But at Into Blinds, we have 3 more ranges that no one else has. We have our new flat range, which is designed for more modern homes. We have our designer range, which we've always had, but now comes with a 20-year warranty, and we're the only company in Melbourne to offer scratch resistant. And if you want to block up more light, we've got a brand new shutter called the Night Shutter. It blocks out 95% of light compared to normal shutters, which are around about 80%. For further information and anything I've discussed today, please leave a comment below. And also please keep your questions coming and I'll answer them over the next couple of weeks. Have a great day.